won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures light the way.
What's up, Denny?
What's up, Steven? How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. What a great day. Unbelievable patterns today on the market. Gold was all over the place. Denny, how was your Thanksgiving and your drive back to North Carolina from Indiana?
It was very, very long. I'm glad the drive is over.
Oh, my God. All I know is I have a friend of mine right here, Sean. He's from Indiana. I think was what, 20 degrees today, below zero? No. It's a blizzard. Huh? It's a blizzard. It's a damn blizzard in Indiana. Damn. That's what I'm saying.
It was. We had a lot. I think we had about 7 inches of snow.
Damn. I am not looking for that. I hear New York's gonna get blasted tomorrow and Thursday. So we'll see. Anyway, how'd you do today? Trading?
I'm good. I just passed account, and then I made $2,000 on my funded account. So
there you go.
Walking away green. Already starting off as a good week.
You trading gold or you trading NASDAQ? You love the NASDAQ.
I do love the NASDAQ. That's where I was trading.
Damn. You and that crazy NASDAQ, man. You and that crazy NASDAQ. Okay. So, yeah, it was a great day today. I want to show everybody a couple great patterns here. First of all, today, let me just bring up the 16 to 30-minute time frames. This is why the market really was struggling here. You can see we're in a bullish trend on the 60-minute and on the 30-minute and on the 15-minute time frame. And again, when you had the new highs here, the spiders, S&Ps were making new highs here. Look, this gold's getting cabooshed here. Gold just dropped and you're making new highs here, and the MACDs couldn't confirm the high. But then the second divergence was you got the overbought condition on the 30-minute time frames here, and next thing you know, what happened? Boom, you got overbought into those negative MACDs. So if this gold gets down to the 38.5, 45.5 range, I'd take a scalp long here, just looking for a push up. You're making new lows. MACDs are not confirming here on the fives. So, but good evening. Hey, Mikey, Jacques, Lee, Hugo, Boss, how are you? Scooby Trades, Melvin. Good evening, everybody. How are you? Gold just got absolutely cabooshed there. Anyway, how is everybody tonight? How did everybody do today trading? ICT NGL, how are you? Corp Trades, Timothy, Chapo, Mr. Mike. Let's go. S&Ps were, I thought they were, I think we had out of, 65 trades today, I think we had one stop out on this stupid short, and I knew they were going to turn up, and but we made it back on the shorts after that. But it was a great day overall, I have to say. Boo! This is a cabooshin here. This is a cabooshin here on the gold. Okay, that's why you gotta, if this gold gets up to the 45.5, I exit longs here. Here we go. Just scalp the long. Here we go. Just scalp the long. Okay, it's 46. Out on the gold. 46.20. Out. I knew they were going to do that. That's why I called that range. I knew when you get that pencil down, you're going to get another push down on that gold. That was a cabooshin. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this gold right out. I hope you're out of this gold if you're long. Oh my God. You see that, Denny? Look at that. 42 to 48. That's not bad.
Not bad at all. Q Mendez, yeah, I already traded for tonight.
What happened?
He asked me if I was trading tonight, and I told him that I had already traded.
Stephen
why I passed
Wilson,
the account
4397, made 900 on gold today. Great. Made 900 on the day. Wow, good job. Great job, Stephen Wilson. What's this link, Denny? What's this link for?
What's it called? It's your link. It's your link.
Oh, okay. So
Go.
this is a link for my 5-day free trial. If anybody is new, Brinks just made 350 on the gold. Look at the S&Ps and NASDAQ. Kaboom! Where's the bull? There it is.
I got the bull. I got the bull.
Where is that bull? There it is. There's that bull. Wow. Stephen Wilson, great job making 900 today. Oh, my God. S&Ps.
NASDAQ's up 30 points.
Something come out here?
No?
You gotta short this NASDAQ if it gets up to 45 to like 75, 70 range. And S&Ps, that's short 33.5 to like 38.5 range. S&Ps, if they get up there. You're making new highs, non-confirmation here on the 15. So we'll see. We'll see. Powell, what's he saying? Powell's talking?
Yeah, 8 o'clock he's talking.
Oh, he's talking to 8?
Yeah.
Oh, he's resigning. Yeah. Maybe that's what. Probably cancel the shorts then.
Yeah.
He already started talking.
Oh, he started talking? Then leave the shorts.
He started talking at 8 p.m. So about 7 minutes ago.
Well, S&Ps and NASDAQ just dropped. So how about that gold? Gold just rallied $8 on that. Wow. All right. I don't think the S&Ps got up to 33.5, but if they did, great. Then cover shorts. If not, 33 is the high. All right, cancel the shorts on the NASDAQ and S&P. NASDAQ just dropped about 18. S&Ps just dropped about 3. Why is this guy talking? Why is he talking? Powell.
I have no idea.
No idea. Julian says no idea. So I have Julian from Boston, Zachary from Jersey, and I have Sean from Indiana. There you go. Great. What a great team.
Oh, what part of Indiana is he from?
Williams. It's about 80 miles south of Indy.
Oh, okay. I have family up in Monticello.
I do too.
All right. How is everybody today? So Luke called me today, and he says to me, I want you on every single day now during the day. I'm like, okay, whatever you want. I'll help you. No problem. So I'll be working. I don't know the hours. I don't know if it's going to be in the afternoon. I don't know. I think he said he wants me in the afternoon, but he said 30, 40 minutes every day, Denny. So I'm willing to do that and be part of MyFundedFutures. That'll be great. I love it.
Yeah, sounds like a good idea.
I entered the short. We never got filled. Who you got the short where on the NASDAQ? Where you get short? You never hit 50. Whatever number I was looking at. What number did I say? 50 on the NASDAQ?
30.
I said 45. Got 43. Well, you won't be listening. Well, oh my God, look at this gold. Oh my God. Buy this gold if it gets down to the 18.5, 26.5. Oh my God, the stop orders on gold. What the heck? It just rallied 10 points. I looked down for 1 second. Did you see that? You got to short this gold. 38.5, 39, up to 44, 45. Oh my God almighty. It's a casino. You know, many people have come up to me, Denny, and said to me, thank you so much for trading and learning about gold. Oh, what happened? You have
Probably
no idea. I got to put this gold up. What did Powell say? He said something. Oh my God. It got down to 15 and then runs back up to 42. Oh my God. I cancel the short on the gold. I just leave the gold up. Wow. That was fast. What's the best way to learn as a beginner? That's a great question, actually. The best way to learn as a beginner is to pick an asset and then learn the asset, right? But if you're going to learn the asset, you want to learn more about the understanding, okay, of trading on the DOM, and then learning that you need to learn to trade with the underlying ETFs in the US session. Like right now, we're in the Asia session, so you don't have to follow the underlying ETF during the Asia and London session. So again, it's that was insane. What idiot sold 15s? Wow. Wow. And again, I think the next thing you do is you come to find a mentor like myself, okay, and follow a methodology. And that's, I think, is what's really important, to learn a methodology. That's what I teach my traders. They understand using 3 time frames. Understanding a methodology, and then practicing sim trading, and then understanding how to scale in and out of trades, how to scale into ranges. There's a lot here. And if you really want to learn, I'm offering a 5-day free trial, and it's linked. There's a pin. And if anybody new wants to give me a call, you can just text me at 914-500-7484. Okay? All right. That was insane. Yeah. Jesus. I literally looked up at the S&Ps and I looked down, and next thing I know, the S&Ps were rallying and gold traded down to 15. So okay. All right. So if you shorted the gold up there at 37.38, I'd be looking to cover shorts below 34 here. I don't know if you got that short or not. You got the negative MACDs here. The 15s, the 60s are going to reverse the sell here. This gold just got kabooshed. Now, we didn't get 42s. We came in on the second run up, this after it dropped, and then the bounce up. Thank you, Jennifer. I do all day long, nonstop. I've been here since about 8 o'clock in the morning, 7, nonstop. Live stream, podcast. I did a webinar today, and I'm doing the Asia session. So, JC Trades, how are you? How is it? How is everybody? Johnny C, I'll see you in 2 weeks, Johnny C. Okay. I'm in Jupiter Beach, Florida. Terrell, anybody wants to stop in or give me a holler? I live in Jupiter Beach. Just text me and let me know you're coming, or I'll pick some days. Love to meet new people. Love to be able to teach you all, to be able to focus on being consistent. Just to let everybody know, I work with MyFundedFutures, and I am not an affiliate. Okay, so I am not an affiliate. I had a great Thanksgiving. I really did. I have to say, it was nice, calm. I went to the beach with Hendrix in the morning. It was beautiful, 82 degrees. Just chilled out. And I have to say, it was very, very calm. Saw my kids in the afternoon, watched some football, and then it was just get ready from Friday. That's it. It's over. I can't believe I missed that gold. When that gold was printing, when that gold was printing right there at 35, you were literally 35 points above from the 10-bar moving average. If I seen that, I literally just looked up at the S&P and the NASDAQ, and all of a sudden in my right eye, I see gold go from 15 right up to 35. Let me see how many contracts traded on that bar. Oh my God. 3,700 contract. That's insane. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. Giants, Patriots. Giants, Patriots. S&P is pushing up. NASDAQ pushing up. I heard rumors that he was thinking about retiring or early, right? That's what I heard.
Yeah, that's right. Is that what's going on right now?
I don't know.
I
He
don't think
he
so.
was going to make an announcement that he was going to call it quits, because I think he goes till the end of May, but I think he's getting a lot of pressure here. All right. If this gold gets up to the 4280 to 4880, I'd probably look to scalp a short. How about them bills? Oh, yeah. The Bills are hot and cold. I'm sorry. They look great, and then I went to the Miami game, and they look like death. You know? All right, S&P's get up to that 33.5 to 38.5. I'd look to take a short. NASDAQ gets up to the 48 to like 68, 78 range. I'd look to short it there. Stephen Wilson, well, text me, Stephen, 914-500-7484. Do you think UNH is showing a bear flag on the monthly chart? Monthly? Oh, you got to be kidding me. Monthly? Let's see. I think let me look on the monthly. This is the bear flag, not here. This was the bear flag, 381. It dropped about 76 points. Yeah, it's a Buffalo roller coaster, I have to say. Cox and Hale, you see that? This is the bear flag right here, okay? Now, you know that Buffalo, do you know that Buffalo term is up in May, Rocky Mountain? That's what I heard. Now, do you know that Buffalo actually voted no to when the new stadium, they voted yes for a new stadium, but voted no for a dome? How stupid is that? Right? How stupid is that? Really, in all honesty, how do you look to cover this gold below 42.5, 40.5, 42.5 if you're short? How in God's creation do you go for a new stadium and then not get a dome? Okay? Okay? Yeah, the move passed. And the Eagles, another team, hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold. Don't get me wrong. I was at the Super Bowl last year. I sat on the 50-yard line. Papa Trump was right behind me. Okay? I was sitting in the third row or second row. And who's an Eagles fan here? Anybody Eagles fan? Anybody? Exactly. If you had a dome, you could have hosted the Super Bowl. Wow, look at this. Look at these S&Ps and NASDAQ. Wow. Kabooshed. The guy who sold gold at 42.15, he just jumped. I know. They're crazy. All right, this gold's dropping here. If you're short, lower your stops. Okay? Go Mud Dogs. Ah! Vikings. Oh, my God. Claudia. No way. Go Birds. I know. You see that? I saw an ESPN special how they jump on tables. It was started by some guy in like 1988. They break these folding tables. Aja, if you text me, Aja, maybe, Aja, I have something from the Super Bowl you may want that I may give you. If you're really a diehard Eagles fan, I have the beads from the Eagles. They're price. I mean, I'm telling you, on the internet, they're like, I think you get like $300-400 for them. I'm not an internet guy to sell them, but if you text me, maybe I'll send them to you. Okay. Market. Okay. Aja, again, you can text me at 914-500-7484. I have the beads. Anybody a Kansas City Chiefs fan? Because I have the beads for the Chiefs. So I got all these in the airport. I had all these beads being thrown at me for the Super Bowl. I'm like, because I went on a private plane. So I'm like, how am I going to carry all this stuff? They says, just take them. They're on a private plane. We just carry them home. Who's ever an Eagles fan or a Chiefs fan? Okay. I just sent a good friend of mine, her husband, and her 3 sons beads from the Super Bowl. They're priceless. You can't even get these anymore from the Super Bowl last year. You made $67 on the gold. Just soccer here. I like soccer a lot too. Go Packers. Youssef, go Eagles, go Pats. I got to tell you, it's true. Go Giants. I used to be a big pro football guy, but nah, I'm into college football. Cranston White up 2,000 on the gold sell-off. Market analysis. Well, what is the market analysis? They're gonna stay up for the rest of the year. Any declines will be short-lived, and I think next year they're gonna get kabooshed. Next year, they'll worry about the kabooshin. Remember, I told you. My friend told me again today. Come March of next year, there's $12 trillion of our debt that needs to be refinanced, and nobody wants to do it. Not even the Chinese have told Papa Trump behind the scenes, right? That's what I'm hearing. That's why, my friends are like, forget it. That's why all the big funds, the guys are turning bearish. Again, if you want to take a short on the gold, 46 to 52 range. If it gets up there again, if you didn't cover your shorts below 42, you should have. Go Packers. NASDAQ. Again, so for the NASDAQ, I'm thinking here, okay, I'm thinking that if you want the NASDAQ futures, let's get to the NASDAQ here. Let's look at the NASDAQ on the daily here. All right, we'll look at the NASDAQ on the daily. Okay. So you got the daily's reversed the buy here. You were deeply oversold. They rallied 1,200 points here. Again, you got big gaps below the market. The look at the weeklies starting to turn up here. All right, if you're still short the gold, look to cover below 42.5. If you sold 46s, then look to gold just dropped 4 on that bear flag. Look at this gold short. You short?
I called it earlier.
You short? No. Damn. All right. S&P's pushing up. I would cancel the shorts on the S&P and the NASDAQ here. So basically, again, I think there are about 5 gaps below the market. And I just think that the market's going to look at it. Anybody short the gold? Just dropped 5 just now. That was a great short on the gold into the negative MACDs. Beautiful short. You short, Julian?
No, I've dropped.
Okay. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. Get in the game.
I just
All right.
like 600 from that goal.
All right.
So,
Just made 600. Good job.
oh, you watching the game?
Yeah, really.
They're going to lose.
It's all right. I'm gonna watch it happen. Win or lose, I'm still gonna watch. The pushing up again. Cool.
All right.
Pushing up into these negative MACDs. I think shorts here again.
Let's see. If this gold gets up to the 47 to 53, I'd probably short it again. 47 to 53. All right. There we go. I think gold should make a reversal here to the upside. No. What levels do you think we want for the upside here? Unless Powell's saying something here. I don't know what he's saying here. Look to cover anywhere between the 46, 44 and a half, 46 and a half if you're short on the gold. You quote long? Okay, good job. Let's see if this gold can drop here. S&Ps and NASDAQ pushing up to the highs here. Look at the gold drop. Come on, lower your stops. Hey, 44 the Punisher, how are you? Markets are moving here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. NASDAQ gets up to the 48 to 68.75 at short-em. S&Ps 33 and a half up to 38 and a half. All right. Gold just dropped 3. S&Ps, okay, just dropped $1.50. NASDAQ, nice little bear flag on the gold. See what I'm looking at here on the gold right here? I'll show you here on the 5. This is what I'm looking at here. You're getting the push up into the negative MACDs here. The 60 is about to reverse to sell, right? The negative MACDs on the 60, the 30s are in sell mode, and the 15. So if the 60s reverse to sell here at 8:30, which they're going to, you're going to be in a negative trend on the overnight session. Gold just dropped 3. Great short. Great short. Hey, Jessica, how are you? Hendricks is home tonight. All right, S&Ps just dropped 1.5 here. Where? Hendricks? He was not here. SPY should be 68.36. Why should the SPYs be 68.36? Okay. All right. Powell said no, absolutely nothing, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, S&Ps just got kabooshed. 3. Look at the NASDAQ drop 20. I had the right level 33 and a half. Damn it. Look at them drop. NASDAQ kabooshed. Again, so we were making new highs, and the MACDs cannot confirm the high, right? Off the 15-minute time frame. So you were making new Asia session highs, but the MACDs cannot confirm the high. All right? All right. Let's see if this gold hits the 48 to 54 range, I would look to short it again. I'd probably scalp it here, 48 and a half to 54 and a half range on the gold. Let me take some shorts here.
Order filled.
Let's just see here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my God, what a drop. 48 and a half. Boom. What a scalp. Oh my God. Look at this. S&P's down 4. NASDAQ down 20. Kabooshed. Oh my goodness gracious. Can you imagine gold hit 15? Oh my God. Whew. If you're short the gold, look to cover the gold. 47.5 to 48.5 range. If you're short. Silver's been an animal up here. Let's look at silver. Silver's been strong. Strong like bull. Oh, wow. Look at silver. Ah,
Jeez.
wow, what a rally on silver. The silver's crazy. Now, you see this silver here? This is called a pencil down here on silver. And then you try to short the next bounce. 85, and look at, oh my God, 50 cents on silver. Good Lord. I think silver is a great trading vehicle. S&P's down 5, NASDAQ down 30. Damn, I had the right idea to short it up there. Wow. Anybody short the NASDAQ or S&Ps? Anybody? Oh. I'm sure there'll be giveaways tonight. If you're short the S&P's just rallied here. Okay. If you're short the look at this. Who's that? Who's this that just did this? Oh, my back. I missed my dog. Who's this? Who just did what here?
I'm short gold.
Little Roo, good job. Trade it. Good job. Good job. Good job, Little Roo. That's a great job. 180 on 4 or 5 accounts. That's a great job. That's a great job. That's a great job. Yes, I'm sure there'll be giveaways. Gold, I would lower your stops or cover, like I said, 40, what did I say, 46.5, 47.5. I forgot forgot what I said. If you're short.
All right. Made that $100 back.
That's a great short there. Gold just dropped about 3. NASDAQ just dropped about 30. S&P's dropped 5. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new here tonight? Anybody?
Steven, I just posted the link for the giveaway in chat.
Okay,
Everybody
so
has
anybody
until
who
9
wants to
o'clock
be
to fill it
part.
out.
Okay, so let's just get this clear, right? Everybody come in. If you're new, okay, Denny has posted the chat in the MyFundedFutures YouTube, which means you got to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube and sign in. He just posted about 40 times here, okay? Elsie is new, first-timers, scared money, okay? Anybody new, please sign in the form to get potential for a free, what are you doing, Scale account?
No, yeah, Scale Flex accounts.
Scale Flex account. Also, if you're new and you want to be part of my live stream, I'm offering a 5-day free trial. Okay, it was sent earlier on by Denny.
It will also be up again at 9 o'clock all the way until 10.
Okay, Jeffrey Douglas, welcome. Okay, thank you, Jeffrey. Wow, what a short on the S&Ps. Good job, Little Roo. Good job. All right, we got about an hour and 25 minutes left to go here. Okay. You know, as we get towards the end of the year, obviously, with Christmas a few weeks away here and everything, you're not going to see the big volume days like you would see like in January, February, or March. Okay, I'm just being honest. You're going to see a lot of light volume days here. Okay. How many of you watch the MyFundedFutures during the day? So I'll probably be going on, I think starting tomorrow. Ash didn't confirm it, but Luke did. Luke told me, I want you on. I'm like, okay, whatever. Denny, did he tell you what hours?
No, and it has not even been mentioned to me yet. I'm trying to get in contact with him right now about it.
Yeah, he told me he wants me on. He didn't say in the morning or afternoon or whatever. So, all right, how you doing tonight? Anything?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. All right. I missed my Hendrix, my boy.
Get me one of these
What?
free accounts.
Oh, there you go. He's signing up.
I've signed up almost every night for months.
There you go.
To be honest, I don't do very good with 50K accounts, so
It's just not possible. It's possible.
You never know.
Super-
S&Ps here are negative here on the 30 and the 15s up to, I don't know. I'm still more of a short seller. I think this gold can get one more push down here once these 5 and 15-minute time frames roll over. Short, yeah, I said to short at 48 to 54, but it already dropped. Like, where's Hendricks? He's home. It's home. MyFundedFutures, you had a 20,000 giveaway, Denny? Is that true? I don't know where Denny went.
This is just sad. Down 10-0.
Who's here? Badias, nice to meet you. S&P short, yeah. Well, I had it up there, 33.5. Here goes the gold. Bye-bye. Bye-bye on the gold. Bye-bye. I would lower your stops on the gold if you're short. EJK 20111, how are you? Where's my nephew? Jess? Oh, he's home tonight. I couldn't bring him. I got 3 guys, and Julian's kind of allergic to him. So I got to... Yeah, I got to rat you out, but you got out too fast on the gold. Listen, it's okay. Profit's a profit. You never look back, right? You never look back, Jack. And anybody new here, just to let you know, I do have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. You all should watch it. It really is unbelievable. Good job, David. In and out on the gold. You hit your target. Great job. Great job. Great job. Great job.
Johnson. You already 10 up? All the way down 10, yeah.
Huh.
Field going to pick 6.
All right. Forget about that. Okay. All right. So oil was a great. Anybody trade oil here? Anybody trade oil? Thank you, EJK. And anybody new, there's a 5-day free trial here to I stream every day from 8:30 to 4 nonstop on Discord. It's a live stream. Also, with that, you get the member Discord where you can interact with me. And then if you decide that you want to join, guess what? It's $4.50 a day. That's it. I was in the airport heading up to New York. I went to get a Starbucks hot chocolate. It was $4.65. So I said, wow, hot chocolate's more than my live stream. You can finish the hot chocolate in 20 minutes. My live stream's on for 6.5 hours in a day. Okay? Right, ICT? What happened to Dart? Who's Dart?
He's fine.
Big
But
hit
it's the
on
Giants.
Dart. Oh, I
It's
don't
the
know.
Giants score.
Oh. I'm not a Giant guy.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
All right. So, with that being said, Anybody have any questions here at all? You shouldn't be on delay. Why, William Snow? I'm new. Very nice to meet you, William. Very nice. Again, William, if you click on the pin above, I get a 5-day free trial for you.
Pretty short. So it's negative 19.
I think Trump's going into Venezuela. Gold? I'm not looking to buy gold. I was shorting gold. Chart Monk? Who's asking me? What holiday schedule for your daily training? Can I join December 14th weeks? I don't even know what that means. The 5-day free trial? I don't know. I think Trump's going into Venezuela. That's what I think. I think he's had enough with that guy. That's it. I think look at this gold drop. 48 down to 41.5. Again, beautiful short on into the negative MACD on the 5. Silver's making new lows here. Who trades silver here?
Kenny.
I like to trade silver sometimes, Steven.
Look at Pac-Man, Christopher. Well said. Well said, Christopher. Well said. Christopher, really very proud of the man, young man. You make $597 in an hour. That's $150,000 a year before taxes. Tell me, what job can you get just trading for the 1 hour a night? Okay. They're not exactly. Silver, I agree. The one thing I can tell you is that there's 2 things I'll tell you. One, never lose perspective, right? Never lose perspective, ever. Okay, I came from absolutely nothing. I'll be 63 years old in February. And guess what? I actually worked for $2.10 an hour. Okay? That's what the going rate for the minimum wage was back then. Okay? All right. Welcome, Shushin. How are you? And I will tell you that exactly what Christopher just said. What profession can you go and make any amount of money, 50, 60, 80, 100, 200? I had people making $200,000 a month with me. Okay. Where can you go and think about that without becoming a doctor, a lawyer, a judge, a surgeon overnight? Where can you do that? This is the greatest game in the world. This is the absolute greatest game in the world. Gold just dropped 9. I love this game. Every single day is a different day. Every day you challenge yourself. Every day I tell people we're like doctors. We're reading a chart. Oh yeah? I'll show you. I have the proof to show it. Taylor Smith. If you're new, Taylor Smith, and you could text me at 914-500-7484, and I would love to talk to you. And again, anybody new, in the SK Trading, there's a 5-day free trial. I think if it was me and you were starting, I think the market gets cabooshed, Patrick, in the new year. Yes. I think that you start learning futures, Taylor Smith. Okay, but it doesn't make a difference. You want to trade stocks or ETFs, it doesn't make a difference. Okay. S&P futures just rallied here. 1. No, I'm telling you, we're like doctors. You're reading a chart, right? Can you give us solid advice how to scalp 30-sec, 1 minute, not losing your. You don't have if you're not great. 914-500-7484. Okay. Again, one of the things I will tell you, okay, one thing I will tell you, you got to learn, okay, fucking S&Ps. All right, if you got to learn, okay, that if you can just understand $1,000, you probably need like a Webull account if you're going to trade futures, because the margins, you can't trade like an E-Trade or Trade Station. You got to go to where the margins are $50 for micro, so like maybe a Webull. Okay. So this silver is going to turn up here. I would buy this silver. Get one more push down here. Who's trading silver? Wow, 22 to 36. I missed it. Okay. All right. S&P futures, if they get down to the 22.5, 30, 27.5, I would look to buy it here. Ninja Trader, you can go. Okay. Open to any, just thinking the best way to learn in your opinion. Again, I would learn trading futures, Taylor. I think if you could learn 1,000 is enough. If he's trading at a $50 micro, and Webull has that, and so does Robinhood, and so does other firms like AMP, or who else has it? Iron Beam has got it. Who else? Tradier has it. Okay. Now, Christopher's right. Can you imagine if you made $300 a day on 5 accounts? That's $1,500. $1,500, if you think of it, right? 1,500 times 22, 33,000. And what do you got? 80%? That's 26,004 times 12. That's 316,000 a year. Just making a measly. I shouldn't say it like that. Making $300 a day. It's possible, Julian.
I know.
You know who stops it? Individuals, because right here, okay, they get all messed up in the head. People end up being their own worst enemies, right? Christopher knows. He knows. I've been doing this game. How did I last for 43 years? 43 years. In the game, and I work with the biggest and the best in the world. Absolutely unbelievable. Oil's making new lows here. Look, Lee made $1,300 to $1,400. I had one guy make $27,000. I think it was before 9:30 this morning. He said 9:30. One of the guys, I'm not going to mention his name, made $27,000. I think it's before 9:30 or 10 o'clock this morning. 27,000. I swear to God, true story. What are you doing?
No, I'm waiting on 2750.
Okay, well.
Get full.
All right, we got about 10 minutes here till 9 o'clock. Yeah, you saw it, Lee. It was in our Discord, Lee. I thought they had $50 micros. Then what about Ninja? Ninja or Trader Baits got 50. No? Am I wrong? Am I wrong about that, or am I right about that? Silver just ran 30 cents. I was staring at it. Look at that. Just ran 30 on the silver right here. 22.5 just ran 30 cents on silver. I thought Robinhood and Webull were $50 micros. Stan Man, are you on Webull? Stan Man, are you at Webull? What's the margin for S&P futures on micros? Isn't it 50? No? Yeah, it's right. I am right. Mr. B, how are you? Low to low intraday. Yes, intraday, I believe Ninja does $50 as well. No? I believe it's 50, right, Melvin? Right, I'm right. I'm right. And 100 Ninja, you got Ninja, okay. $50 trade evades 50, but initial margin is 2,400. If you don't put stop orders in, right? Yeah, after hours is a different story. 2462. Yes, after hours. So that's why what most people do, right, after hours, which is now, they trade a prop account. They trade their own account. I have so many people who trade their own money during the day and prop accounts, okay? And then during the night, they trade a prop account, right? Makes sense. Capiche? My Hendrix is going to be, Jessica, my Hendrix is going to be mad at me. I didn't take him. Oh, the $50 after 6 o'clock? All right, well, okay. What do I think about gold? What, short, intermediate, long term, or what? I bumped into your page. We met way back when. Can you text me who you're talking about? 914-500-7484. Call a gold long? I'm not calling a gold long. No way. The 60-minute just reversed to sell. Why am I calling a gold long? No. I'm not looking for a gold long here. Gold just reversed to sell on the 60-minute time frame here. Right here at 9 o'clock. In 6 minutes, this gold's going to reverse to sell.
Chinese market, right?
Yeah. Johnny Fonts, why am I calling a long on gold? Look at the negative MACDs on the 15, 30, and 60. I think IB's platform, I couldn't use it. FOP S444, if you want to text me, 914-500-7484. I don't know about Webull, but Interactive Broker is 25K, which is pathetic. Yeah, because Interactive Broker only caters to big clients. I'd cancel the S&P buy. AMP futures is 40. AMP is great, right? AMP is good. And again, I short this gold here, 51.5 to 57.5 range. I'd scale into the short here. I gotta sell some gold here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just made a point on gold that quick. Boom. All right, gold just dropped here too if you're short. Silver, kaboom. You ain't kidding. Okay. Anybody get the short on the gold, little scalp short on the futures? Good job, good buddy. Silver, where's the silver? 69. Wow, silver went from 22 to 69. Wow. If this silver gets up to the 76 to like 76 to 86, 88 range, I look to short, take a scalp short on silver here. Good job. Boom, in and out of gold. Very quiet here. Can you believe that somebody sold the gold down to 15? Immediately rallied from 42.15 to 42.35. All right, the silver just drops 7 cents here. It never got to 65. I'd cancel the short. That's a nice little bear flag on the silver. Especially the 60-minute time frame is going to reverse the sell here. You see this? So if the silver gets up to the 76, 77 to 87, you want to scale into the short. Now the 5 is going to turn positive. The 30s are negative. Here we go. The 30s are negative. Oh, wow. Negative MACDs here. $15s. Silver just ran 50 cents. If you're short this silver, you can look to cover anywhere between the 71 and 75 range. All right, gold, if you want to short this gold, 52.5 to 57.5. Silver's just dropped 3 cents. No, I don't think so. Not with these negative MACDs here. Silver just dropped 4 cents just now.
Is it better to wait for Chinese market?
I got 1 minute.
So it get full.
You got filled?
No, I didn't.
No, you got to wait 1 more minute. Okay.
It's going to rally up.
No. Never boozy stop loss. Oh, brother. Gold, S&P, oil making new lows. NASDAQ making new lows here. Gold drop. Look at the silver drop. 77 down to 70. Who's trading the silver? Lee. Lee, I hope you went short there on the bear flag. Lee. You got to look at the 60-minute time frame. Just reversed the sell on. Oh my God, S&Ps. What happened? Look, I blinked 23. Jesus, Lord God, rally 3. NASDAQ just ran 20 like nothing. What the hell just came out?
Chinese.
Nah, that's not it. Yeah, this is a bear flag. Here, this is a bear flag, right? Look at the silver. Lee, look at silver, Lee. Down 12 cents, Lee. Gold's going to get cabooshed here when these 5 and 15 start rolling over. Okay, that's a bear flag. Silver, I called the top in silver. Just dropped 13 cents. Gold just dropped 4. Oh my God, Lee, look at this. Merry Christmas, Lee. It's Christmas in December in silver. Just dropped 15. Gold just dropped 4. There you go. What did Powell say?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh my God, Lee. 20 cents in silver, Lee. 18 cents, Lee. What the hell was that? Holy mackerel. Good job, Smith Barney. Oh my God, Lee. 20 cents. Lee, come on. Look at that. That's a beautiful bear flag. And I told you the 60-minute time frames were, oh my goodness, quick. 20 cents in silver? That's insane. Gold just dropped 5. Kabooshed. There's the bear. That's a bear. Gabriel Trades, where are you? Merry Christmas, Lee. That's your Christmas bonus right there. Okay? Denny, what time are we going to do the raffles today? 9:15? I think
Yeah,
I think Denny's watching.
I mean, we can do them right now if you want to, Steven.
No, 9:15.
9:15? All right, we'll do them at
How many are we doing?
5.
5.
Yeah, until the higher ups.
No, then let's wait till like 9:45.
Okay, all right, we can wait till 9:45 then.
I'm not doing no. What's up, Gabriel Trades? Jess, let me tell you something, right? He barked. Did I tell you what happened to Hendricks and me over the last couple of days? Did I tell you when he jumped out the car window and went after a rabbit? Did I tell you that story?
I didn't get it.
Look, Isaac made 1,500. Beautiful. I feel better, Raphael Trades. Look at this goal. S&P's just rallied 3. NASDAQ just ran about 20. You're very welcome, Lee. Kaboosh! And thank you. You're very welcome. But Lee, you understand how to read that? You saw the silver about to flip negative on the 60, the negative MACDs on the 15, on the 30 and 60s. When the 5s were getting overbought, let them have them. Right? Let them have them. Gold just dropped 5. Good job, solid. Up 450 on 3 accounts. You up 1,300? You didn't stop? Good job, Michael. You're still holding gold short? Okay. Oh, Hendrick. Oh, I gave Hendrick some turkey. He went completely crazy. I had to gingerly give it to him, just because I'm telling you, I don't think he ever had table food. Look at this silver down 20 cents. And I gave it to him very gingerly, and he just woofed it right down. 350 up. Who shorted the silver? Anybody except Lee? You're still short NASDAQ. I think you're going to be okay, but I would lower your stops. I mean, it just rallied 20 or about 18 off the lows there. All right. Again, if there's anybody new, you could text me at 914-500-7484. Also, earlier on the MyFundedFutures chat, right here, there's a link for a 5-day free trial, 8:30 to 4 in my live stream. Also, if you like to, there's also in the SK Trading, it's pinned up above for the 5-day free trial, whoever is new. I stream every day from 8:30 to 4. You're still short. You have a triple Lindy here. Okay, be careful on the silver. Okay, be careful on the silver. All right. Gold just dropped 5. Silver just dropped 22. That's probably the best call of the night, the silver trade. Right? Even if you probably got in 1 or 2 entries. Right? Period. And gold's going to get cabooshed any minute now. Silver, I'm telling you, catch silver right, it's over. You know that? It's over. S&P's cabooshed.
I'm to go long on S&P.
Well, the S&P futures. Let me explain this pattern here. So the S&Ps were negative, okay, on the 30-minute and the 15. Let me just change the symbol. Let me get my face off of this. So this is why I was calling the short, okay? The S&Ps are negative on the 30 and 60-minute time frame on indicator 4.
Okay.
So when you got overbought here, okay, in a sell disconnect, because the 60-minute time frame still bullish, but the 60 had what here? Look at the 60, a negative MACD. And I know that if you take out the 68.18, S&P is going to reverse the sell, and you'll be in sell mode. So when you had the 30-minute negative and the 15 negative, that's why I was calling the short on gold, on the S&Ps.
So you're
right.
looking the 60 to reverse.
Not now, but you were in a sell
Yeah.
disconnect. It's still a good short.
Okay.
Oh no! If you take a monster position in silver and it goes against you, you're cooked. You're finished. Okay. Now I would have probably covered down here 54. You got a little buy divergence here. See the 5 positive. All right. So how did everybody else do today? Anybody else trade? What is the average volume per tick? I don't even understand the question. Can you, James Bond, whatever, shorting S&Ps? Not now. Can you? I don't understand the question. Up 560 over 3. Great job. Blew my pro account today. How'd you do that, Claudio? Because you're not listening to me. That's why. Silver's up 10 cents off the low. Well, can I ask you a question, Wyatt? Okay, can I ask you a question? I mean, seriously, I want to ask you a question, okay? Why in God's creation would you not want to take advantage of the 5-day free trial, learn from me, and see how it can help you? Really, I'm just dumbfounded. Really, I'm completely dumbfounded. Why you would not take advantage of that? Hendricks walks outside in monsoons and thunderstorms and lightning all around. He don't even care. This dog don't care. I'm like, Hendricks, we're gonna get hit by lightning. He just keeps going. He don't care. It's a 5-day free trial. Even the people who are beginners, ask Jennifer, ask anybody who signs up how much they've learned and how much they're able. Good job, CT Clutch. Caught 15 points on gold. There you go. Honey badgers don't care. I know. He doesn't. He's crazy, this dog. Gold short? Not yet. He's living his life. Absolutely. I don't understand this question, really. What is on average the number of contract per tick traded on the? Who cares? Just trade the pattern. I don't understand the question. Do you understand this question? I don't understand this question at all.
What's it say?
I don't know.
Would
What
you
is
point it
on
out?
average the number of contracts per tick traded on the NASDAQ or NASDAQ minis, micros?
Traded on the NASDAQ? I mean, look at the DOM. You'll see how many contracts get filled per tick. There you go.
I don't even
Like
understand.
there's 26 buys, and then it's gonna go to the next tick. Like I don't know what the question is.
I don't know.
It's a silly question.
To me,
I just had to explain to my
good
mom
job,
how
Jen.
futures work for
Good job.
30 minutes. That was a fun conversation. Did you guys hear me from that?
No.
That's good.
You gotta trade. I would short this gold 52.
I'm short platinum up here.
DCD3 options. I thought today was a good day. Okay, I really do. I thought it was a good day today. Okay, I thought Friday was better, but today, out of I think 65 trades, I think we had one stop out. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. All right. If this gold is going to turn down here. Okay. Yeah, I would short this gold if it gets up to 52 again and just drop 3. S&Ps are down 9 off the high. The NASDAQ is down close to 50 off the highs coming in here. The 15s were overbought. Okay. All right. But you're still in buy mode on the 30 and 60-minute time frame on the NASDAQ futures. It's $99, $4.50 a day. If you go to sktrading.live. Oh, easy, close to 100. All right, let's see here. S&P's making new lows. NASDAQ making new lows. I knew it right off the bat. You see, I didn't say the word buy once, except the 27.5. Then I canceled it. I said, but the real trade was to short the S&P and the NASDAQ up there.
What's the S down to?
23.5.
You canceled the long?
What?
Before I left,
I canceled the long.
27.5
I
to
canceled it.
23.5.
When it traded up to 29, I said out. That's it. I don't like it. 914. All right. All I know is that silver was a great trade there. S&Ps, if they get down to the all right. If the S&Ps get down to the 18.5, 23.5 range, I would take a scalp long only here. Okay. The genius, good job on the NASDAQ short. S&P is up 2 now. Let's see here. So I got here at 8. I did the stream from 8:30 to 4. I did my podcast. I had a webinar from 5 to 5:45. Went to go take the guys home and then Hendrix home. Came back. I had to do my podcast again because first time it didn't get recorded. And then I had to, it was a glitch in the technology. Then I came back and I do the Asia session. Okay. Very, very trading keeps. Good job. All right. Long Bitcoin. Yeah, I would have bought the Bitcoin there on the 5. Bitcoin just rallied 4. Bitcoin's bullish on the 15, 30, and 60. So when the 5-minute time, look at it, silver right back up. I told you I had a buy divergence here on the silver, right? So Bitcoin, okay. I typed it wrong. Bitcoin is bullish on all 3 time frames. And when the 5-minute time frame reversed to sell, you could take the long. You could have bought it below, 550, and just ran about 230. Okay. All right.
Thoughts on shorting gold?
I short this gold 52.80 to 58.80, 57.80 on the gold. Freaking S&Ps just rallied 3. I'm off on the indexes here by a split second. I canceled the buy range on the S&Ps, 23.5.
Order filled.
What was the top of that range? 58.50
What are you talking about?
gold.
50,
Order filled.
54.80 to 53.80 to 58.80, 59.80 range.
Gotcha.
Order filled.
I just scalped it. Boom. Made a point here, a point there. Let's cover your shorts below 53 if you're short on the gold. Yeah.
I'm flat. 2 micros. Sorry.
Wow, Ryan, great job still short the S&Ps from 33. Good job. Wow, good job, Ryan. Awesome. Ryan, you live in Florida, right? You got to come visit me, Ryan. Look at the gold drop. Gold just dropped 3. Gold just dropped 3. Ryan, Ryan, you live in Florida, don't you? Look at Bitcoin just rallied. That's a really great pattern on Bitcoin here. Okay. Again, the 5 goes negative, oversold. The 15, 30, and 60. The 60 reverses to buy right here. Ryan, why don't you come and spend a couple of days here, Ryan? Okay. Nice little short there on the on gold. All right. I'm in Jupiter, Florida. Brian O'Donnell, if you're in anybody from Florida, Trade Warrior Hub, you're in Jupiter. I'm up 190 with you tonight. I'm going to go see you, but I'll bring my kids. Okay. Patrick O'Brien. All right. Okay, awesome. That'll be awesome.
Should look at platinum.
I'm not trading platinum. Forget it. You're crazy. I'm not trading platinum.
It's wild.
All right. Whew. Very quiet. 40 minutes to go in the game. How you doing? You hanging in there, Julian?
A big one.
Okay. It's a long day, right, Julian?
Oh, yeah.
Got it.
After all that.
You got to get used to it. I do this all the time.
Wow, gold down to 50. Giants suck. It's just depressing.
Would you like
What?
a little bit to tilt that a little bit this way?
Say again?
Can you tilt it a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
This way? Oh, yeah, that was it.
All right.
They suck.
Urza, good job. Good job, Ryan. I hope to see you here. Okie dokie.
Just the second half as well.
Andre, how are you? 1400, Andre. Good job, Andre. Great job from Brazil.
It's only the second quarter.
Forget about football. Hate those two teams.
Makes you feel better. Giants are losing 24-7.
Good. All right. Let's see here. Does the giant lower wick? I don't look at candles. Yeah, you don't just spend a day. You guys spend like 3 to 4 days with me. Okay. Sofa watching from Brazil. There you go. Z Lady from Florida. What part, Z Lady? I'm in Jupiter Beach, Florida. I love it here. Me and Hendrix love it here.
Which Hendrix?
All right. Come on, gold. Break already here.
Want to break down?
Yeah, go lower. Hey, Jeffrey. Jeffrey, you're late to the game. Can you believe, Jeffrey, gold traded down to 42.15 and ricochet right back up to 42.35 in the millisecond? So this Bitcoin was a nice long here. Bitcoin rallied about 200 plus right here. Actually, Jesus, 500 plus. Sorry, 500. Again, the 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frames are still in buy mode here. What a kaboosh. Oh, yeah, on gold. You have no idea.
What time are we getting out of here?
10 o'clock. Come on, stop.
Sorry.
All right. Okie dokie, Schnoki. Here goes the gold dropping. Gold just dropped 3. Gold should drop. Trading. If you're anybody from Florida, Jacksonville, you should give me a call. If you want to come and spend a couple days with me, just text me. Peachy 10. Peachy 10, we start at 8. Gold just dropped 4 here. All right. What is my number? 914-500-7484. I don't look at candles. Any top guy in the industry doesn't look at candles. I'm sorry. I don't look at candles. Sorry. Not one professional trader I know. Not one professional trader I know loses candles. Why do I want so many people to see me? What do you mean by that? Why do I want so many people to see me? I don't even understand the question. My brain hurts. Candles are for birthdays. Jessica, you could just text me, Jessica. Okay? Ahead of time. I mean, because I have a room full of people here all the time. So what do I look at? I don't even understand the question. Bars? Short NASDAQ now? Not yet. 15s are getting oversold here. What's it? Dude lost and starts talking bad about legend off key, classic loser mentality. I don't even know what he's talking about. Jeffrey Douglas, if you're new, again, anybody new, you can text me at 914-500-7484. No, none of the top guys I know use it. Okay, gold just got cabooshed here. I mean, again, nothing against it. To each his own. Okay. I mean, but I don't use it. I can't use it. I just don't. Not me. Okay. I sat next to the biggest guys in the world, and none of these guys ever used candles. Nobody. Here goes the gold getting cabooshed down 5. All right. No, that's true. Everybody has their own preference. What link is not working? The link to what? To sign up, it's over. Can I tell you, to be honest with you, our town looks at candles. Yeah, everybody to each his own. I don't. Gold's dropping. What does it mean when the bars are turned? Well, I don't even understand the question. No, I just think candles have been around. Okay. I mean, look, I mean, seriously, like, here, I'll bring here. I could put candles up here. Okay. How am I reading that pattern? I'm not reading that. How would I see this wick here? How would I have seen the low on that? I wouldn't even know how to read that. I wouldn't know how to read any of this here. I don't even understand this here. Not that I mean, I'm serious, like, but guess what? When gold did this on the open, high, low, close, I saw that, boom, I could react in 8 seconds, right? Okay. I just think that every professional guy I've ever worked with, okay, Japanese rice strategies, okay, that's great. Everybody, I'm old school. I like looking at bar data. I can see the open, high, low, close. I can see patterns a lot better. So to each his own. What's the problem? Stick with your candles. No, my trading, Jeffrey, is based upon combination methodology. I use 3 time frames, 5 conditions, and 10 strategies, period. Okay? I've been doing this too long. 43 plus years. I'm not changing now. You got to be crazy. Forget it. You're out of your mind. What are you, nuts? What are you, crazy? Guess what? It worked for me, the bar data, period. I didn't say Where you come from, Salivar? Who's putting somebody down? I'm not. Who's downing others? Oh, this guy's crazy. Gold getting caboose. Well, you should get a buy divergence here on the gold. Oh, we got to. This guy's got to go. All right, S&P's just dropped 2 here. Oh, okay. Sorry. Again, I apologize then. Sorry, I apologize. Listen, to each his own. I don't judge anybody. If it works, it works. All I give a crap is that you guys pass and that you guys do right. It is I mean, look, I just want you guys to pass. Look at this freaking S&Ps off the 3-minute. Just dropped. All right. All I care about, truthfully, is that you guys pass. I don't work as an affiliate. I don't believe in that. I want you guys to pass. I want you guys to learn. I don't want to see you guys blowing up or doing stupid things. Nothing like that. Okay. To me, the most important thing is that you learn. Okay. That you learn. Gold had that buy divergence just now. Just turn up. Okay. All right. S&P's just dropped 3. NASDAQ just dropped 10. Very quiet here. 27 minutes to go. Look at this. This is the gold. That's why I said the gold had a little buy divergence here. 45 to 49. Debo, that's a $64,000 question. Okay. And I don't even know, to be honest with you. But I enjoy it, though. You know what? I really enjoy helping others. Really, I do. I really, is it frustrating at times? Yes. Exactly. We're all on the same journey, and the journey should be to succeed. That's it. And I think what set me off to do this was many, many, many years ago. They were talking about how most day traders fail on CNBC and that you got to put your money with mutual funds. I went crazy. I was crazy. I went crazy. I was told by my clearing firm I was the number 1 day trader in the world for close to 4 years. All right. And I said, there's no way in hell. And I know the problem. People trade options. People just go and buy. Well, then there were no prop firms, but people just go and do things. They read books. I went out with a girl one time and I said, where are you going? She said, I'll be right back. She came back. She bought $300 worth of books. I go, what are these books about? Oh, trading. I go, I'm not eating. We're going to return them. You're not buying any books on. This is crazy. Now, this is before Investopedia and all this other stuff. I'm like, get out of here. In my career, I've seen people buy 100 to 130 prop firms before they even know what the hell they're doing. Why? That's like me getting in the car and getting in at the Daytona 500. The guy's like, hey, we want you to drive. I'm like, what? We want you to drive. I'll get in the car. I'm crazy enough to do it. And the guy would say, well, I'll crash by turn 4. I'm in the wall. But again, why spend the money? Somebody said to me today, Steve, I want to learn futures. I'm going to go buy a bunch of prop accounts. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Why are you buying a bunch of prop accounts when you have no idea what to do? Is that man at the door? Let me get him. I'm like, you got to be crazy. Come around the back, I told you. Sir. Come on. Listen. So why would you go and buy all these prop accounts? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. $600 up. 600 points on Bitcoin on that pattern. Beautiful. First pullback. So Bitcoin, you want to see the strategy here? So Bitcoin here is the first pullback on the 15 after the 60 reversed to buy. Set strategy. Boom. There you go. Here's the first pullback on the 15. MACD's positive from below. ADX is off. Low selling pressure. The 60 reversed to buy. The 60 reversed to buy correlated with the 30 and the 15. You buy the first pull. Here's a beautiful bull flag in Bitcoin. There you go. Up about 500-600 on Bitcoin. Okay. Great strategy. I will tell you, okay, 42, 44.8. What is he talking about? I don't know what he's talking about. Oh, gold. Options are not gambling. Options, to me, people don't know what to do with options. That's the bottom line. Okay. People don't know what to do with options. What I mean by that is, per se, what I mean by that is that I did 2 option long trades in my life, and the rest of the trades I did was selling premium. Selling premium. Okay? Because that's how you make your money in options. Debit and credit spreads, things of that nature. To trade options intraday is very hard. Now, if you want to trade options like a pattern today, like I showed you on the IWMs, that's a pattern. You want to pattern trade options with patterns, no problem. But to scalp in and out, nah, no. I think that's a fool's game. I agree. That's a great, right? All right. See, I told you these 15s were getting oversold here. All right, we got 6 minutes till we got the. I love intraday trading. Salvatore, whatever.
What's in 6 minutes?
The drawing.
Oh, gotcha.
Well, if you join my live stream, you'll probably be in the black overnight. Joseph, you got 21 minutes till the game's over. Goes very quiet here. Good job on that Bitcoin. We buying the Bitcoin futures. You guys should be trading Bitcoin futures as well. If MyFundedFutures gives you that option, I think that's a great thing to do, really.
Steven, you ready to do some giveaways?
In 6 minutes, good buddy. 5 minutes.
All right, 5 minutes.
All right. Then he's alive. What will happen with gold in the next 21 minutes? Okay, so the strategy goes like this. I think gold gets one more push up, and then the 15s, right? The 60-minute reverse to sell. So the 60-minute time frame reverse to sell, I think gold gets kabooshed. Kabooshed. So the 60 reverse to sell on my indicator 4, you're in a negative trend now on the 60, 30, and 15s. If you one more push up, if you do get a push up on gold, if not, when those 15-minute time frames start rolling over, look at the ADX rising. Look at the ADX rising here on the 15 on gold. You got the 60 ADX rising here on the 60, the ADX rising on the 15. So if this 15 starts rolling over looking like that, gold's finished. Now, I'm not saying it's going to go down to 15, but gold could drop another 6 to 10, 15 points here. Okay. Wow, look at, who's this? Really? Schilling, is that you? No, come on. Good Lord, good buddy. God bless you, brother. Wow. Freaking S&Ps. 23. It's rallied 5. Did you really, is that real, Jay Schilling? You really did that? $14,000 tonight? God bless you. Good job. I bet it was all on silver, though, right? I told you silver had that little buy divergence right here, right? Now you got to look to short the silver here. Gets up to the 85, 86 to like 96 range. Whew. Wow, unbelievable night. Great job. All on silver, I knew it. That's great. Great, great, great. No, 14,000. Hey, Lucas Trades, how are you? Okay. Right. Do you know the top guy in the world? I just asked him, he said, I would never trade options. But you know what I would do? Sell premium. Sell premium. That's all we did. Sell premium. Sell premium, sell premium, sell premium. Whose birthday is it? ADXs are rising here. What's my favorite movie? The Godfather. 1 and 2, then Rocky. Then you got to go with like, well, I'm older than all of you here. Kelly's Heroes, The Blues Brothers, Animal House, Caddyshack. I mean, that's my era. What the hell is premium? It's the price of the option, right? Oh, this silver should be shorted here. Let's see. Steph Trades will be your birthday. Do you see how this silver here had this buy divergence? Should have bought this silver here, 49. Godfather 1 and 2 and Rocky, the best. God bless you. God bless you. Look to buy the silver back anywhere between the 85 and 89 range if you're short. Blues Brothers is great. Dirty Harry. Nah. All right, let's do the giveaways, Denny. Let's go.
All right, let's do them. Let's see who the lucky winners are tonight.
These are for
Happy kids. Happy kids. Are you here?
And you got to be here to win.
Yep. You have to be here. It's 5 accounts.
I want to see Sean. I never won.
Silver's going to drop here.
What? I said I never won once as well. So
Happy kids. I see you.
I've never tried to win.
Ugh.
I've never entered. Then I gave up.
What's up there in gold?
Nathan Roji Trades.
I'm short like 50, 53. We're leaving soon. 53.80 to like 58.80. Jessica, Jessica won?
Who?
Jessica?
No, Nathan.
Oh, Nathan. Sorry.
Who's Jessica? Sharo, are you here? Just a quick reminder, if you did not put your MyFundedFutures email, you will not receive your account. Sharo, I see you. C4 Boom, are you here? Steven, someone said, do you have a Black Friday deal for your website?
No, I don't. And it's not Black, it's Cyber Monday. No. And the reason why, honest to God, is that I'm changing the back end and I can't do any specials on the back end until I redo the back end on the website. That's the God's honest truth. But I can give him a 5-day free trial if he likes.
Hey, there is a 5-day free trial. I'm about to put the link back in right now.
If you want, the link is in.
C4, you don't have very much longer before you're going to lose out.
If you want the 5-day free trial, just text me. Okay, 914-500-7484, or it's pinned in there already. S&P's just dropped 1.
I don't see C4. All right, he's gone.
All right, next. How many you got left?
2.
Christmas special? No, John. C4 got kabooshed.
C4 got kabooshed.
There's the link for the MyFundedFutures right there. Next.
Next is PG Contract. PG Contract, are you here? Yeah, there he is. And last but not least, Scare Money 222.
S&P is going to drop here. You're short?
Yeah.
S&P's 9.5.
No, gold.
It'll-
55 too.
Scare
drop.
Money, are you here?
Yeah, if you want to, I said 54.80 to 59.80. I said if you want to short the gold.
Scare Money going once. Scare Money going twice.
I just saw Scared Money. He got scared. Ah!
He got scared.
Scared of Fremont.
He got scared. He got. There you go.
JL1727.
God bless you. Boy, you're really allergic. You got to get shots or something.
Oh, I do. I do every 2 weeks.
Take care, Mikey Jacques. All right, this gold's dropping here. Come on, gold, just drop.
There we go. We got all our winners for tonight.
How many we got?
5.
You did all 5 already?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, it was a good night. Very quiet. Mostly all gold trades.
I'm flat. 1.2.
There you go.
I'll take it.
I'm not gonna trade now.
You what?
I said I'm
Well,
not gonna-
leave your stuff. Don't
Yeah,
take it
yeah.
with you because I'll lock the door. All right, this gold is going to drop here.
I didn't make that
Thank you, Jess.
dumb mistake. I'd be up 190 for a cap.
Sorry?
90.
What's that?
I didn't make that dumb mistake. I'd be up 1,000. I'm only up.
All right, hold on 1 second, Zach. Did the people who enter the $51 account get an email? I don't know, Danny. You want to answer that?
Huh?
Somebody said, did the people who enter in the $51 account get an email yet? I don't even know what that means.
That's not on me, Cam. Was this for when was this? For Black Friday?
His Royal Trades, you're welcome. Thank you, Trade Warrior. Again, if anybody knew, look at the silver drop. Silver dropped down to 87 before. The silver is going to roll over here. You're negative on all 3
I'm
times.
pretty sure it was Luke. So Luke's the one who had to make sure those emails got pushed out.
All right, if you short the gold, look to cover the gold below 50, 51.5, 53.5. All right, good night tonight. Again, very quiet. I want to thank Denny. Again, I want to thank MyFundedFutures. MyFundedFutures has given out over 730 50K or scale accounts. You're not going to find a better prop firm. Gold or silver, look to cover between the 85 and 89 range here if you're short. Gold just got dropped about 2 here, hit 55. Again, you're not going to get a better firm. You got Denny here, you got Luke, you got Ash, you got great people here, great people. It's a great firm. It's a great prop firm, the greatest prop firm in my opinion. And I just want to thank everybody. Thank you for joining. Tonight we had about 500 people between the 2 YouTubes. I don't know what Aaron's got out there other than my Instagram, my TikTok, and my X running live. But I just want to say thank you, all of you. Again, I just want all of you to be consistent. That's all I care about. I just want you all to be able to be great traders. Don't be self-destructive. Don't revenge trade. Hit your daily goals. Stop, watch, learn, and listen, or open up another account and just keep trading and getting better. If you want anybody new wants to join, I have a 5-day free trial. Please hit that link in the MyFundedFutures early on. Again, I love doing this. We'll be back tomorrow night from 8 to 10. And I don't know. That's about it. I have a podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Very informative. Really should watch that. It will really help you a lot. All right. So I think that's about it. Rocky Mountain Trades, thank you very much. Take care, everybody. Yep, they pay. MyFundedFutures pays out, right? Johnny C. Izzy.
Pay out.
Lee, great job, Lee.
Yeah, gameplay. That was Luke's thing.
All right, I guess that's about this S&P's up 4. NASDAQ just rallied about 40. Oh my God, beet salad is the worst. Oh my God, don't even. You made me think about beet. S&P is get up to the 30 and a half, 30 and 3/4. You could short up to 35 and 3/4 here. You're gonna get another push down here. All right, gold very quiet overall, but still some really good trades, good action. A lot of people made some great money. Silver was nice, really great pattern in silver. Okay, but overall, I thought it was a great, even though it was quiet overall. It's just about being consistent, waiting for the right patterns. Ryan Nichols, thank you so much. Okay. All right. Sodavartar, you're very welcome. Have a great night. 11 a.m. Auntie Jan, where are you? Australia, most likely. Auntie Jan, you're welcome. All right. Denny, have a great night, partner. I'll see you tomorrow night. Again,
Yes, sir.
I'll be coming on board the MyFundedFutures somewhere during the day. I don't know when Luke wants me in the afternoon, but we'll see if it's this week or the following week. With that being said, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, Denny. Thank you to all of you who have come. Again, thank you to MyFundedFutures for giving me this opportunity and hosting this. I love it. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you so much. Again, have a great night, everybody, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.